In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access your cart in GOG in just a few seconds. If you shop for games on GOG, knowing where the cart is can make checking out faster and easier, especially when you're adding multiple items at once. This is a very simple tutorial, but I'll walk you through it step by step so you can follow along without any confusion. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and platform tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open GOG in your browser, or launch the GOG platform if you already have it installed. Once the page or app loads, take a look at the left-hand menu. This is where GOG keeps several navigation options for browsing and managing your account. Now, all you need to do is click on Cart from that left menu. As soon as you select it, you'll be taken directly to your cart where you can review the items you've added, check what's ready for purchase, and continue with checkout if you're ready to buy. If you don't see anything in the cart, that usually means you haven't added any items yet, so you can go back and continue browsing games. And that's really all there is to it. Opening GOG and clicking Cart from the left menu is the fastest way to access your shopping cart. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.